again. Remember what I said? I'll make another one of these. This is 3/8 inch. I think it's 3/8 of an inch. Yeah, it's 3/8. I got a 3/8 thing here. I could easily cut a little piece off, grind it out, lop this side off. Use this, of course, to cut it up. And then I found a piece of metal right here, which is about just wide enough. So I'm thinking, I think I went overkill on this metal plate. But see, it's about an inch shorter. So I'm guessing this is like, yeah, cut about 10 inches. This thing is 8 inches wide, so would it be any good 8 inches wide? It'd be fine. I just don't want to really, see, this is, what the hell, what is this? This is a 1/8 of an inch. So yeah, I'll cut that like so. 10 inches. See, this is about 9.5 by about 9 inches. So maybe I'll cut a 9 inches on here. This should be fine. The 3/8 one is just I didn't think that out very clearly. So I don't think this is stainless, which should be fine. And yeah, I'll do that. Do I do it right now? I don't know. See, I'm in here late. I don't want to make any sparks. So maybe I will try to chop this up on here. Let me try it out. I still gotta find, wonder if I could use it like this. Just clamp it on here somehow. I'll have to try it like this. Maybe it'll work. Anyway, stay tuned. What am I doing? I'm measuring 9 inches. And try not to screw this up. I need a metal ruler, so could have swore I had one or somewhere. Metal ruler, where did you go? I guess I could use this, maybe. Where the hell's the mark? Here it is, the mark of the devil. There we go. Ta-da! Got a nice little, I can see the line in there somewhere. Oh, almost. Right in the glare there. There it is. See it? See the little line? There's the little line in the coconut. Line in the coconut. The line in the coconut. Alright. I'm going to clamp this down here on a wrong angle and see if I can do it on here. So, hold on, folks. Alright, folks. Hello. I don't know if the mic was on previously or what, but let's see. This thing. I gotta somehow get this thing to stay on. Folks, don't try this at home. Do not try this at home. Shit. Come on. Push the button down. Push the button down. Futter mucker. Gotta see if I can get this button to clamp down for me. Why am I doing this like this? Because I ordered a foot pedal for this. Zip tie maybe might work. Yep, hold on. Zip tie. Time to get a zip tie. Zippy zippy for the one zip tie. Life unscripted. Alright, folks. Alright, I don't know if you can see me back here. You're going to hear saw. Should unplug it first before I do that. So I don't lose an arm doing this thing. I did order a a WEN, what do you call it? I ordered a, what the fuck was it called? Foot pedal for this thing, on-off switch. So I can use this without having to do this every time. So let me try this. Before I do said thing, I forgot this. Adjust this stupid thing the right way. There we go. I don't know if the previous video I did this. Come on, get in there. Oh, it doesn't say how tight she's taking these things. What the hell? I don't know what the hell this thing's doing. Why is one going one way? I'm going the other way. This is stupid. Okay, there we go. There we go. Nice and snug. Why am I wearing gloves? Well, first of all, what do you call it? I got freezing cold sheet metal here. If it wasn't, what do you call it, the middle of winter, I wouldn't be wearing gloves. And I know, before anybody says anything, I know this is unsafe. I got sleeves on and gloves, so stay safe and don't follow what I do. That's pretty cool. God damn, it's cold in here. Holy shit. That is freezing. So anyway, that's why I'm wearing gloves. My hand is freezing with the glove on. Which side is which here? Are they both the exact same size? Oh my god, that's funny. Did I just magically cut this thing perfectly in half? See, that's 9 inches. And this is magically 9 inches. Little. This one's like a pubic hair less. Now it's well, making me two of them. So anyway, that's what I want to do like that. And then I should measure in the middle here. 9 inches in the middle would be right about 4.5 inches, right? Let me pause this, freeze my fingertips.